This 2021 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton 30 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Brownstown Township, Michigan, 48192 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.